In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Calendly. If you've ever had back and forth emails trying to find a time to meet, this will save you a ton of hassle. Your availability is what powers your booking page, so when it's set correctly, people can only pick times that truly work for you. Start by signing in to your Calendly account and opening the availability section. This is your home base for controlling when others can book with you. You'll see your weekly schedule laid out, along with your time zone. Make sure the time zone shown matches where you'll be taking meetings. Your booking page automatically respects time zones, so this helps avoid confusion for you and your invitees. Now, edit the times you want to make available. Click into any day of the week and set the start and end of your working window. If you don't want to be bookable on a particular day, simply turn that day off. If your day has a lunch break, or you only want to accept calls and blocks, add more than one time range. For example, you can open up 9 to 12 and take a pause, and then add another window from 2 to 5. Repeat this for each day until your weekly rhythm looks right. You can fine tune your hours to the minute. So if you prefer 20-minute gaps or want to start at a specific time, like 9:10, go for it. Keep in mind that your availability is the foundation, and your event types will respect these hours. If you block off evenings here, nothing will be bookable at night for any event that uses this schedule. Have exceptions coming up like a holiday or a one-off late afternoon? Add a date-specific override to open or close time on that particular day without changing your whole week. This is great for handling travel days or special availability windows. As you edit, think about energy and focus. Shorter morning blocks might be perfect for quick check-ins, while longer afternoon windows can be better for deep dive sessions. Multiple time ranges help you create those natural breaks so you're not running back to back all day. When everything looks good, your changes take effect for anyone visiting your booking page. A helpful tip is to open your public booking link in a separate tab to preview what invitees will see. If a time doesn't appear there, it's either outside your availability or already in conflict with your calendar. That's it. By clicking availability and editing the times you want, you've set a reliable schedule that protects your day and makes booking effortless.